And, you know, I always liked seeing my friend Tony driving this car down the road. He worked for George Barris, and whenever the cars would go out on display, Tony would be driving the 66 car or the Michael Keaton car. That was pretty cool. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Just got back from our local Walmart, and we got the Batman series, a whole new Batman series, not to be confused with the other Batman series, if you know what I mean. There are 5 cars in this Batman series, and there are all Batmobiles. So let's get right to it. First one up, Batmobile. Like I said, it's a Batmobile series, right? This one is done in a dark gray enamel. It says Batman, the Brave and Bold. Sounds like one of those soap operas my mom used to watch, The Brave and the Bold. But you know, you could watch that show, any of them shows, miss it for 10 years, watch it again, and they're in the same place. I don't get it. I don't know. Well, whatever. The Brave and the Bold Batman. This is a dark gray enamel. No metallic in this thing at all. Has white and looks like pearl blue outline tampos on it, up on the top, on the wing, on the fin on the back there, and on the side. The window, the canopies are blue tint, blue transparent actually. Looks like there might be a black interior in there. I don't know. The base, black plastic. The wheels are a nice blue chrome 10-spoke, same size all the way around. And that is it for this guy. The Batman Batmobile from the Brave and the Bold. That's number 1. Number 2 is a TV series Batmobile. And it says Batman Classic TV series right there. And of course, this is my most favorite Batmobile, the 1966 Batmobile. And it is done in black metallic in it, maybe even metal flake. It has yellow and red tampos all over this thing. And the interior is a very dark maroon. Windows, canopies, whatever you want to call them on this one, is clear. The wheels are blacked out OH5s all the way around with a red chrome ring on them. Same size, by the way. Parachutes are the same color as the interior. Base is black plastic. And it has the grill in the front is, of course, all whatever you want to call it there. It's not smooth. And so are the headlights. How about the taillights? The rear end there, yeah, they're all hatched. Now you remember that some of the mainline Batmobiles had issues with the casting, and they were the front grille was smooth, and some were hatch marked, and the headlights, the grille, and the taillights were also. It's a whole different bunch of variations on that. So guys, keep your eyes open when you find these, and see if the grills are different, or the headlights, or anything. If any of them are smooth, let us know in the comments. All right. So that's number 2, the classic TV series Batmobile. Number 3, just shows the bat sign there. It doesn't say anything about it, and it just says Batmobile. So this is done in black plastic. The window, it looks like it's yellow. There is nothing on the nose, and man, it's got a blue tint metal base. The wheels are yellow swirl, big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And man, that is it. No other detail on this thing at all. That is Batmobile number 3. Number 4, the Batman 1989 Batmobile. And that's the Michael Keaton one. I liked that movie. That was pretty cool. And you know, I always liked seeing my friend Tony driving this car down the road. He worked for George Barris, and whenever the cars would go out on display, Tony would be driving the '66 car or the Michael Keaton car. That was pretty cool. That was really, really cool. Okay, this one is black plastic, and it has pearl blue stripes, really tiny ones, all over it, up on the top, down the side. Let's see, the window is a dark green transparent, and yeah, man, that's about it for this thing. The wheels are blacked out 5 spokes with a chrome ring on them. They're the really thick ones. And there are big ones in the back, little ones in the front. The base is a blue tint metal base. And that is it. And it comes through in the turbine on the nose also. And this is the Batman 1989 Batmobile. And I'm going to say the Michael Keaton one. So that was number 4. Number 5, it says Batman, the Animated Series. And this is really cool. This is a metal flake maroon. And the wheels on this are blacked out aero discs, small ones, all the way around with a chrome ring. You can see chrome part of the engine there. Chrome interior. And I'm going to say that is a clear window on this. Chrome grille on the front. And chrome exhaust on the rear. The base is black plastic. And this is number 5. And man, out of all the paint jobs, I think this one's the coolest. Very, very cool. It's got red pinstripes all over it, and it looks very, very nice. Lots of metal flake in this. Really cool. And that is it. Number 5, the Batman, the Animated Series Batmobile, and that is all 5 of them. Got them at Walmart. And keep your eyes out. Like I said, if you can find anything different with these guys, especially the 1966 car with the front end or the rear, with the grill or the headlights or anything like that. If you find anything smooth, let us know in the comments below. All right, great. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe, and of course, always, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. We hope to see you soon. All right? Bye-bye.